See, this is the clothing amalgamation of the old artisans, the heritage of the India. We are just introducing to our generation, which are the very, millennial ones. So we are blending both the things. We are putting up the story for the organic and sustainable. So it's IHA like working like a healthy and sustainable patch for the earth, planet.
I feel incredibly blessed to work for Khushbu. This collection is fantastic, but the most important part is that this brand stands for sustainability and it is eco-friendly. At the same time, it is so fashion forward that it's very cool. Everyone can wear it. So I think it's fantastic. It's organic, it's eco-friendly, and what else do we want? Because right now we all know that world is going through so much. We have so many environmental problems. So if we can take that one step in helping the nature and environment, I think this is the best thing ever.
Thank you so much. Sorry? See, we were previously working with the pre-bridal and freelancing. So once in the COVID, I felt it and we switched all our things to organic and sustainable. So it's totally upcycle, recycle pattern we are going through. So it's very mindful, slow fashion and ethical.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Done?
Are we done?
Are we done?
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. She's the designer and it's her. I've worked for her. She's Anu Mehra, and this beautiful garment that I'm wearing, that is designed by her. आज के शो के बारे में मैं बताऊं, आप बताइए.
आज का शो जो था वो बहुत दिस मुगल आर्ट्स पे इंस्पायर्ड था. सो आई हैव टेकन ऑल द एम्ब्रॉयडरीज एंड कलर स्कीम from the artifacts of Mughal. So from that time onwards, the embroideries what there were there. So I have taken that in my collection.
More than the confidence, I was feeling very beautiful. I was feeling very pretty. That our culture is so beautiful, rich, and it has its own glamour at the same time. If I'm very much grateful to her that she chose me, and the kind of look that she has given me, वो भी इतना सुंदर है कि शायद ही I think it's किसी भी लड़की की dream wedding अगर वो plan करेगी, they would wear something like this only. And शादी के लिए ना हर लड़की बचपन से plan करती आती है. So हर किसी का एक जो जोड़ा होता है, क्योंकि वो lifetime रखना होता है, so they think that is very very important, and I think this is the best thing that I have worn, and I have never worn this stuff in my shoot also. So I'm feeling so good right now. That is, her collection, not only this but the other collection, the other girls, they were wearing something very beautiful kaftan style and skirt tha. At the same time it was very minimum but it was looking very rich, and those girls were looking extremely gorgeous. So I have no words to explain more than this, but I would just say that please check her collection. You will definitely like it. और अब तो दिवाली आ रही है तो मैंने तो already सोच रखी है बहुत सारी चीज़ें.
Yeah, actually I will add on one thing. I'm thankful to her. Actually, I just wanted to have that attitude when she was walking on the ramp, and she has done justice with that. She was looking really gorgeous and she walked through very very nicely. Thank you, Rashmi, for that.
मेरे माइंडसेट को अभी मैं थोड़ा मेरा माइंडसेट सो चुका है विद ऑल माय गुड एंड बैड और व्हाटएवर स्टोरीज आई हैड, बट या ये वाले ड्रीम्स कभी नहीं जाते हैं. जब लड़की को सजने संवरने की बारी आती है, आई थिंक उनका पूरा हक बनता है. एंड आई थिंक सो आई लव ड्रेसिंग अप. मैं नॉर्मली लड़कों की तरह तैयार होती हूँ. आई लाइक बैगी स्टफ एंड ऑल हिप हॉप स्निकर्स और ये सब, बट व्हेन आई वेयर दिस आई जेन्युइनली फील सो ब्यूटिफुल दैट कि हमारे कल्चर में इतनी रिचनेस है, फिर भी हम कहीं ना कहीं कटौती करते ही रहते हैं. ऑलवेज. यस. I think it's my profession that allows me to experiment with my look and gives me that part, because हर कोई नहीं करना चाहता है और हर कोई अलग करने से भी बहुत कतराता है. बट मुझे हमेशा ये दिमाग में रहता था that I really want to do something that is not matching with the last character that I have played, or that I am going to play, or that I would want to play. So I keep doing research and I keep trying new stuff. कभी कभी उल्टा backfire हो जाता है, but it's okay. I think that's normal. Oh, that I will share soon. Sometimes things works out in a different way. God has its own plan, so I'll go with the flow and I'll tell you on the right time. दिवाली अभी तो नवरात्रि ख़त्म हुई है, तो अभी पहले उस पर फोकस करते हैं. आई एम वॉकिंग हियर, सो आई एम वेरी मच हियर विथ यू गाइस. तो दिवाली जब आएगी तो वापस मिलेंगे शायद. दिवाली पे करूँगी. थैंक यू. बाय. आई थिंक इट
Rashmi, two questions. Rashmi, please, two.
Yeah, do it first.
ले जाऊं? जितना मैं ज़्यादा देर आपको